Hello again. So next we will be discussing the infographic genre of technical writing. This example here is clearly not one that I've created. This is a example created by people working for the company Venngage, as well as in cooperation with the American Heart Association on healthy eating habits, as you can see here. In this example, for this genre, that is, we will be looking for the standard features, including lines, borders, and shapes used to group different types of information, the contrast of colors to guide the reader's attention, creating a text hierarchy, by using different fonts and different text styles, as well as images, icons, and illustrations in order to make it just generally more memorable. Now, here we kind of have the first section. I think this is the most effective section. It kind of serves as an introduction. It gives us kind of all the data we need to know about the current situation, the current trend, as we can see right here, which is in a very bold black text. Nice contrast against the kind of light, almost I guess you could call it like a lime green background. I'm bad with colors. Down here we have a series, yeah, there. We have a series of kind of illustrations that draw our attention, but also what also draws our attention are these big bold letters here, big bold numbers that kind of give us these key statistics, as well as then little contextual information below that, which helps us to establish a hierarchy by saying this is the important thing, and then we add on to that, we supplement it with these little details down here. And then down here, we are guided into an entirely new kind of category of information. This gives us steps to eating healthy. 1, 2, 3. It follows a simple pattern with an illustration pertaining to each step. Down here, whole new section, different set of colors, different set of illustrations. Again, we see the use of bold text to kind of enunciate especially important pieces of information. We can kind of move on from this. That's all there really is to be said here. Now it becomes kind of weaker down here on these last ones, but still, we still see these principles being applied. We see kind of lists being utilized in order to provide a process. We see lines being used to kind of guide us on where our attention should be located. The contrast draws our attention to these images and lets us make that connection very quickly. Down here, I think it becomes rather weak. But still, it does manage to make use of several icons in order to kind of help it have a little more oomph, a little more impact and be more memorable. And that is ultimately what we want. And it gives us an overview. Thank you.